guys, it's Ali Chan's birthday today. Today he is officially 16 years old. So happy sweet 16, Ali Chan. I hope you enjoy your day. His birthday is not until Halloween, but we are celebrating it a little bit early. Because usually when you celebrate after your birthday, it's not really as hyped as like you want it to be. And so Ali Chan, happy birthday. You are the sweetest little boy ever. I mean, growing up, you was like little, actually, you was still good as a kid. You're very generous. You're kind. Anything that I've asked him to do, he's always done it. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this day very much. Whatever you want to do, we can do it. If you want to go to Oregon tomorrow, we can. If you want to go to GameWorks tonight, we can. It's pretty hectic for me right now. I'm trying to rush and do so many things at once right now. Like, I'm trying to like ship out orders. I'm calling hello people and shit like that. So, hold on, my phone's ringing. Okay, so let's see how long it takes them to actually open the door for me. I'm standing outside for about a minute now. Hey, happy birthday!
Oh, it's not my birthday. What up, though?
It's the wrong person over there. Hey, happy birthday! What's up?
Hey.
Happy birthday, chill.
Hey.
That chill. What's up, Black? How do you feel, bro?
Kind of old.
You feel kind of old? Did you have chapstick? Your lip is bloody.
No.
Huh?
Say happy birthday. You got that birthday one? You got that birthday one?
Yeah, you gotta be like, hey, you got that birthday one?
Make sure when you see everybody. You got that birthday one?
Is there anything you want to say?
Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday, Chili.
Thank you.
Hey, backseat driver. We're actually picking up his homeboy right now. I guess he just lives down the street from my mom's.
Happy birthday, Ali Chan.
So we're at the bar. Johnny's about to get some drinks.
What do you want?
They got Angry Orchard or something? Or did they take that out? Yeah, they take that shit out everywhere. He said, hey. Come on, Chad! Let's go! 150 and 140. Wow, you suck.
I know!
Oh shit! 160, man! Get away, bitch!
What's up, young man?
Shake it! Hey! Come shake your hand together! Hey, shake it together! What the hell? Hey, happy birthday! What the hell? You want to say hi? So we are going to Buffalo by Chan's request for dinner. So yeah, we're just gonna blow out his candles over there and then call it a night.
That's like 10 years later. That's like...
Are you guys ready? Let's go.
Hey, we'll call you up in a minute.
Oh.
Call up your guys' group in a minute.
Oh. Okay, just wait. It's Chili's birthday! We're
Hey, what about
Attention Buffalo Wings, I have a very special announcement. My friend Ali over here celebrating his 16th birthday with us tonight. Can I get a
Ali Baba!
very happy birthday? 1, 2, 3.